Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So what a sell-off, quite a sharp decline. I mean, nothing major. It's like showing 1.4% down on TradingView so far. It's not like we have a significant sell-off on the Bitcoin chart, but still it's very sharp. We have something similar in the stock market. However, no 5-wave move down yet, also not in the stock market, and the support area is still holding, which, as you know, if you followed previous video, ended or ends at $115,780. Let me remove that one. So this is our wave 2 support area. The price is now moved straight to the 78.6 retrace level. There was a chance that the price could have bottomed already here on Tuesday, but as I explained to you in the previous update, the rally from that low, from the Tuesday low, wasn't really a 5-wave move up. And there was a chance, but the price could not break above our signal levels. That would have been a first signal that really a low is in. So we continue to build lower highs, yeah, but also lower lows. So it's crucial that the bulls show up here, because now with the break below the Tuesday low, the question is now, do the bulls actually defend that 115,780 level? And if we break below it, 115K will be next support. That's the support level that also already acted as crucial support a few days ago. That's larger degree support, yeah. That's here, basically where the Friday low formed. What I can tell you is that from that low, we had an impulse to the upside. Definitely a good setup, yeah, from a structural point of view. 5 waves up, and then this could have been a 3-wave move down, but it's turning into a more complex correction. So, yeah, it's probably turned into a WXY pattern, like a more complex correction, which can happen on a day like that. Remember, interest rate decision, even though Powell didn't really do much, but overall, on a day like that, we have to expect volatility. I typically warn in the videos on a day like that we just have to expect random volatility. Yeah, it doesn't even need to have a real cause. It's just a bit of sometimes irrational volatility, and support is still holding. So this support zone here between $115,780 and $116,628, that support area is supporting Fibonacci, is supporting the rally, yeah, from the 25th of July low, because an uptrend could have started there. So this uptrend is basically captured here, yeah, and as long as we're holding this Fibonacci support area, the uptrend could continue. But with every 5-wave move up, it's always the corrective pullback that proves that this is really a reversal. Because if the pullback is corrective and we're holding a higher low, then this can lead to a jump off, to a rally, to a significant rally and a breakout. So this is now an absolute key spot here. And if we go down any further, the price will likely test the Friday low, 25th, at around 115K. And that's the invalidation point. That's the invalidation point of this 1-2 setup. And below that level then, if we still go lower, 113,800 is next support. And I have to say, below that level, my assumption that this is an upside impulse is invalidated, and I will have to reinterpret the chart. So we are getting quite close again to critical levels here, but I have to say this correction at the moment is, it's still a corrective pullback. We don't have any impulsive price action to the downside, even though today's move down might look impulsive, but things are still within the parameters of a greater bullish structure here, and also still within the idea that, hey, we might have bottomed in a wave 4 on Friday. So we just now need to see an upside reversal. Unfortunately, after the price bottomed yesterday, the upside reversal wasn't really convincing. Formed basically a 3-wave move up, and then today just a little bit of volatility, and now the sell-off. So let's see if the bulls can find support here. Any break above the B wave high that formed at 118,750 would be a first indication of a low. To be honest, to be honest, any break above the 50% retracement, actually, this would be our earliest signal of a low. And that's the 50% fib level located at $116,969. This is standard Fibonacci support, resistance for maybe even an internal corrective rally. So any break above 116,969 could indicate that a low has formed and we're trying an upside breakout. That's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in additional updates in our membership, check out the channel page. There's a video that explains the membership benefits here on our channel page. You, for example, get access to member-only videos. We covered ICP, Render, for example, Ondo. So check it out if you are interested. You also get access to our member live stream, which runs every Sunday. Plus, if you are interested in further updates in our Gold membership, you get access to our Discord server where we cover intraday updates, short-term updates, long-term updates. You get over 100 live charts for altcoins. Plus, we have gold and silver updates. Metals updates, some stock updates as well. You get access to a full Elliott Wave course as well. So there's a lot of material. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.